At Hagardera Secondary School at the Dadaab Refugee Complex in Garissa, it's easier for boys to remain in school. The girls who do so are the outliers. Munna Hussein Omar is one of them. The Form 1 student scored 284 marks in her KCP and joined Form 1 under an accelerated program. Many girls in refugee camps like her start enrolling from the age of 10. Munna is 20 years old.
The girl comes to class 1 and she's already mature. So coping up with that level becomes a bit difficult for the girl, and all of a sudden you find that the number of girls reduces as the classes also progress towards higher grades.
There are far too few female teachers to help girls navigate through their adolescence, to teach them transferable skills such as self-confidence and problem solving. Munna got married at the age of 15. She has 2 children. Her father also lives in Dadaab but separately. Her marriage didn't last for long.
The first step, yes, my mother's 2 children, and one boy is here with me, another boy is giving father. My mother's dead.
In Somalia, there's so many war, there's so many gangsters. The girl will marry for that she didn't want to marry. That is, you'll see so many still young girls who have 2 children and they're still 15 years old, 14. You'll wonder.
Her husband asked her to return to Somalia. She refused. She lives here in Hagardera with one of her sons. Her estranged husband is in Somalia with her other son. Besides fending for him, she constantly worries that he may come back for him, especially when she goes to school. For her peace of mind, she leaves him with her relative. Of the 1 billion young adolescents who will enter the workforce in the next decade, 600 million are girls, and they will need skills to ensure that they can have decent work. In Munna School, there are only 72 girls in Form 4. The enrollment has been declining each year, but interestingly, there are 224 girls in Form 3. One girl, a refugee too, has become a great source of inspiration. Deko Mohammed Ahmed scored a B- in last year's KCSE exam. She qualified for a scholarship to study in a Canadian university. For her gap year, she came to teach English and Islamic religious education at her former school. Because of her, a girl like Munna keeps believing in her potential.